exponential equation, right? The variable is t. It appears in the exponent. So let's use logarithms to solve this. But I think what I'm going to do is undo a few things from this t first. Let's divide by 1200, all right? So that'll be a good place to start. So I'm going to take that 1200. I'm going to divide by that. So we will get 1 plus 0.072 over 4 to the 4t equals 25,000 divided by 1200. Now I'm not going to make that division until the very end. I'll have my calculator do it all at once. If I do it now, I get some round off. And then if I continue doing, I get this buildup of round off, and then I may not even be close to the right answer. So now I've got a base to a variable. Let's bring the variable down in front after we take the logarithms. So how about log base 10 of 1 plus 0.072 over 4 to the 4t. This will be the logarithm of this quotient, 25,000 over 1200. Now let's bring this 4t down in front as that multiplier. So we will have 4t times the log of 1 plus 0.072 over 4. That's going to be the log of that quotient, 25,000 over 1200. And now I'm getting close to this t here. Look at this. I've got what have we got going with the t? It's being multiplied by 4 and this log. Why don't we divide by this, right? All at once we can do this. Divide by 4 and that whole logarithm, okay? We'll divide by all that. So what's that going to give us? We've got to be careful how we write it. It'll be t equals, all right, now it's going to be this whole side divided by 4 times that log. So it's going to be that whole side there, that log of 25,000 over 1200 divided by, okay, 4, and then the log of that 1 plus 0.072 over 4. Okay, there is the exact value right there. But if we're looking for a value of t, that doesn't help us a whole lot. So let's use our calculator here. So what I've got here in the numerator is just a single term, right? The log. So I'm just going to type in this. I will type in, I'll press the log key, and then I get a parenthesis, and I'll put 25,000 divided by 1200, close. And then I'm going to press divide. Now look at the denominator. You have a multiplication in here. So because I have an operation, I have to include the entire denominator in parentheses. So this is going to be, you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to put it down here. So open up a set of parentheses for the denominator and then type 4. Press the log key, you get a parentheses, and then type in 1 plus point, you don't really need the 0 here, 0.72 divided by 4, close. Now we need one more parentheses to close that denominator, right? Those two go together. And if my eyes are looking at this thing correctly, I'm getting this. I'm getting t equals 42.5528. I'm going to claim that's the right answer.